Man, this shit bad, y'all, man. My fucking front door, man. Look at my shit, man. God damn, bro. I'm talking about, man. I got shit every fucking well. I got shit everywhere on my house, man. Shit down everywhere, man. Hey, the aftermath. Living through this shit, man. This shit real. Gotta come home to this shit, though. Like, for real, though. Like, for real, man. Gotta come home to this shit, man. Shit, big ass trees, man. And big ass, heavy ass trees, man. 100 feet long trees and shit, man.